D2DNY Real World HVAC Simplified, and today I'm troubleshooting a monster. If you like this video, go subscribe to my channel right now. I do upload videos like this, real world on a weekly basis on my YouTube channel. So today we have this Hvac unit. This thing is a beast, air cooled, and I found a couple of issues, a lot of issues. If I go into the history, here's what's going on. Okay, see that? Outdoor air sensor. Next, and all these are note that these faults are active. All right, active faults. Next, yeah, I'm currently by the airport, by the way. All these faults are active. Suction pressure. Yeah, so the complaint was cooling doesn't run. I wonder why. Right? You think this have anything to do with it? Why the cooling doesn't run? Yeah, that's good. That's cleared. So many things in this. Alright, so let's go back. But these are the key ones right here. This one right here is active. That one right there is active. That one right there, active. This one right here is a question. I'm not sure if this has anything to do with the cooling, not being on the compressors that are coming on. That one there. And if we go on status, okay, and we go down, see what's going on here. What's going on with the pressure transducers? And it's at, there it is. There's 6 compressors here, and they're in tandem. So system 1, compressor 1 and 2 are A and B. You can see right there, A and B, system 2 and B. No pressures, nothing. Okay. Let me give you the whole tour of this unit. This is these are the VFD fans, supply fan and return fans. Some controls behind here. Okay. Oh, this is a monster. All right. Here's the controls, high voltage. Here's my tool bag. I take a look at the scale, size of this unit. This thing is huge. This is a condensing section right here, condensers. Look at that. This thing is huge. And compressors. Like 6 altogether. But I want to bring my ladder around and show you. I've already located the temperature sensor, outdoor temperature sensor. It's right in here. This is even another view. I'm at the airport. So shut. Get my flashlight. And yes, I'm wearing sneakers. Drop my phone over there. This is my favorite light right now. Back here you got the evaporator section. Those coils right there. Blower. This thing is massive. This thing is huge. This is almost the size of a small apartment or a studio apartment in New York City. Actually, maybe bigger. Yeah, so I've located this is the outdoor sensor. I mean, it looks intact, but getting this thing going is going to be a bit of a progress because in steps, because I'm going to have to replace this sensor. You know, it's saying that I'm not reading any outdoor humidity or any outdoor temperature. Okay, so this is the sensor. See, that's outside. These are the filters, outdoor air. Yeah, you know, I'm thinking I might do another video, full video of this. You know, the resolution. You know, when I replace all those sensors and all the transducers, and it's up and running. You know, subscribe to my channel for that. YouTube D2D NY Real World HVAC Simplified. Well, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. You know what? Before I do that, let me show the exhaust fans. I'm gonna give you the full tour. Those are the exhaust fans. This is a monster.